So I've been trying to move all your Android apps from your internal storage to your SD card, but you're not seeing the change option under the app menu. For instance, let's say you are trying to move this CapCut application. From here, I'll select on storage. So under this app menu, you are supposed to see an option change, which will actually enable you to move from the internal storage to the SD card. All right, but that change option is not there. I'm going to show you how you can enable the change option under the app menu. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do here now is to open up your settings. Here I'm going to open up my settings here. So open up your settings and then scroll down to about phone. So from here you select on software information, and then from here you need to tap on the build number 7 complete times so we can enable the developer option. So I'm going to tap on the 7 complete times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, so here I'll be requested to enter in my log pin. So here I'm going to enter my pin. All right, as you can see here, developer mode has been enabled. Now I'm going to go back. I'll go back, and here we now have an option here, developer option. All right, so I'll select on it. So from here, basically, you want to scroll down until you see an option, force allow app on external. So keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down until you get this option, force allow app on external. So just toggle this option here on, and then we are done, guys. So when you go to the app, let's say we go back to the same app, CapCut, and then I'll select on storage. Guys. So from here, you now see that option change. So from here you can now click on change. So here you can change the storage location from the internal storage to your SD card. So I'll select on SD card, and from here I'll now click on move. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we have moved this CapCut application from the internal storage into the SD card. So as you can see, you can as well move it back from the SD card into the internal storage. All right, guys, so I'm going to go back here now. So let's go and test if we have moved the CapCut application. Now this is the CapCut application here. So when I remove my SD card from my phone, so if I remove the SD card from my phone, here you can see the CapCut application is going to be grayed out. So if I try to open the CapCut application now, it's not opening because I see app isn't installed. So because we have moved the app from the internal storage into the SD card, so I can't use the CapCut application again unless I slot in the memory card. All right, so that is a quick on how to fix this problem, guys. If you find this very interesting, I'd like you to give this a thumbs up and then drop down a comment in the comment section. All right, so with that being said, see you guys in the very next one. Bye for now.